The main pump has several adjusting points. Does and does not recommend adjusting the main pump. The main pump should not be adjusted unless you completely understand the operating principles and structure of the system. In the event that adjustments must unavoidably be conducted, resolve the issues using software first. Only make adjustments if the issues cannot be resolved using software. In order to adjust the outer screw, slightly loosen the outermost lock nut with a 36 mm spanner. Adjust the outer screw with a 24 mm spanner as necessary. Turning screws clockwise tightens them, turning them counterclockwise loosens them. Since the front and rear of the main pump are controlled separately, be careful when adjusting them. Limit them to a maximum of 1 turn each. When inner and outer adjusting together, no need to adjusting inner screw. Inner screw already fixed on the outer screw. When the actual machine is running, the pressure control contributes significantly to determining the pump swash plate angle. Hence, it is important to check the operating pressure in each mode. To check whether the cause of a problem in the machine is the pressure or the flow rate, perform a swing or jack-up maneuver which requires a high flow, then, drive the machine. Based on the speed and pressure produced at this time, look at the PQ curve for the specific machine model and determine what to adjust. This is a Nagaikin piston which controls the flow rate using the Nagaikin pressure generated by the foot relief valve in the control valve while the machine is running. Make an adjustment if there is a significant pressure difference between the front and rear pump while on standby. Turning counterclockwise reduces the Nagaikin pressure, turning clockwise increases the Nagaikin pressure. These are the min and max adjusting screws. They are located on both sides of the servo piston. They serve to set the limits when the pump swash plate angle is at its minimum and maximum. The large chamber is for the maximum flow limit and the small chamber is for the minimum flow limit. Just as with all adjusting screws, turning it counterclockwise reduces the minimum and maximum flow rate, while turning it clockwise increases the minimum and maximum flow rate. It is extremely rare that this part requires adjustment. Only perform adjustments of each part after carefully ensuring that you understand the system.